I have one doubt. Is Sora AI a subset of DALL-E or is it absolutely separate?
I think it's separate.
It's separate. It's separate.
Okay, got it.
The technique being used here is like it's a diffusion model, which is very similar to what we have seen with Stable Diffusion. They have a model with on replicate Stable Video Diffusion, I guess. Uh, so yeah, so this is a model which also allows you to just apply an image and move it.
Hmm.
Yeah, I guess we have actually tested it on a previous podcast or something.
Yes, yes, yes,
Yeah.
we have.
So it uses the same concept, the Sora thing, but it's technically more advanced. It has more compute, more training, and everything. So yeah,
Who has made Stable Diffusion?
that's an interesting question. Never looked into it. There's a company called Stability AI. I guess they are behind this. Vision.
Isn't Stable Diffusion again more famous for images?
So the guy's name is Muhammad Imad Mustaq, and he's a Bengali apparently, and he's the founder and CEO of Stability AI, which is one of the
Hmm.
companies behind Stable Diffusion.
Do we have the
So
Hmm.
yeah,
LinkedIn of this person?
so it has a he has a Wikipedia page, and he's an
Okay,
alma
then we
mater of
don't need
University of
LinkedIn.
Oxford.
Hmm.
So yeah, Stability AI is the company behind it majorly.
Got
That
it.
was I mm, actually knew of. So this is the company. They started with images just like Midjourney, and now
Right.
they moved on to motion like videos and stuff. So they have SDX and Turbo, Stable Diffusion XL. Now they have moved to audio. They just launched
Hmm.
Stable Diffusion 3 as well that we were talking
Yeah,
about.
recently.
Yeah.
And everybody is going crazy. Again, the understanding of the prompt. Can we open? But I've seen that only for images. I'm not sure if it
No,
generates
it's
video
only for
also.
images.
Right.
It's not for videos at the moment. Stable
Can we
Diffusion
open
3.
some like tweets or something about, or if they have posted some images?
Yeah,
Yeah.
this is the page for the release
So
of
what I
Stable
saw
Diffusion
was
3.
they posted some really complex prompts, not really complex for humans, but probably for machines, with a lot of colors, a lot of shapes, and a lot of directions.
So what I've heard and what I've read about Stable Diffusion 3 is it gets the text very correct in the images now. So
Oh,
initially,
okay.
Stable Diffusion was not able to understand or place the text correctly if you wanted that in an image. Now it is able to do that very accurately and in a very well-defined manner. For example, they have also the examples they have shown are all text heavy. For example, go big or go home, Stable
Hmm.
Diffusion as a cut art piece of news articles or something, a bus which has a dream on, a board which has a go. So I guess this is a major distinction between Stable Diffusion that we had until now.
Oh.
Hmm.
Yeah,
So this was the
Interesting.
only thing stopping us from creating social media posts because I use
exactly. Yeah, I was
ChatGPT
covered.
paid and it cannot get the words
Yeah,
right.
yeah, yeah. So this particular model still has to come on replicate or Hugging Face as of now, I guess. Once it does, of course, there will be a lot of noise and a lot of images that people will start generating.
Hmm.
Right. Like
Interesting.
this is a huge social media use case.
In,
Hmm.
very much, yes. Like stock photos in general sense. Like now you can do anything if you can get the text right. Nobody needs a designer to put a specific text on the images. That was the only thing that
Hmm.
missing.
Now I'm thinking like the first thing that came to mind was from the business point of view. Like
Hmm.
agencies would probably just grab this and can amplify their growth exponentially, right? And they
Hmm.
can cater to a lot of clients with this. Like just speaking strictly from the point of view of generating social media posts.
Yep, I totally agree.
Yeah.
Anything new with like stable diffusion from video perspective?
No, I don't think I've heard anything that has come new with the video. The only thing is that Stable Diffusion 3 has come out, which is very good at text. And of course,
Right.
it is good with the image as well in general, understanding the context and everything.
Okay.
Hmm. So I'm reading the text that they said they have heavily focused on the safety of the model and to rule out any kind of bad usage by bad actors. So, because Stable Diffusion was being fine-tuned and being used for different purposes over and over again, like NSFW and deepfakes, in paints, all of that. So there's a brighter side to it, and as we always say, there's like a lot of negative side to every AI advancement that we see today.